Now, for Jamaica, we see economic growth and prosperity for our people as a broad aim. And there are certain things that need to be in place to achieve such goals. One must be an increase in revenue intake. Of course, that must be balanced by reduction in expenditures. Now, the underbelly to that would be gaining private sector trust, so having a collaboration between the public sector and the private sector. And a way to do that is to ensure that the private sector has an environment, a friendly environment, so to speak, within which to operate. So the trade facilitation agreement, implementation of same, we see it as absolutely necessary to achieving those objectives. It gives an opportunity not just to look at the contents of the agreement itself, but also to learn from best practices, to look at the experiences of other agencies, countries within the region and outside of the region. And that is what is important to us. That is the takeaway from this session for us.